Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we are back with an unboxing video. This should be a quick one. This is the WD 1.5 TB hard disk, external HDD. These are WD elements. Recently I did another unboxing video of a Seagate HDD. I'll put the link of that somewhere above, but that model had not that great reviews, so I sent it back and I got this one. This is very good reviews and I have used this model before, and this is the last one. It has been 3 years and that is still running great, but the Seagate not that great of a track record, at least for that model. So anyways, coming back to this one, this is the 1.5 TB variant, and let me show you what's around the box. This has a 2 years ANS. ANS. So I think it's data recovery service. I'm not sure. We'll see. So coming to the bottom, product of Thailand. Okay, that's nice. Not China. Free 30 days support from date of first call. 2-year limited warranty. 30 days support. Okay. Okay. Coming to the side. Okay, MRP of this is 6,734, but you can get it for around 4,200. Fairly reasonable. Month of import is August 2021, so very recent, just last month. Okay, blah blah. All right, coming to the back of that, stockades implement. Okay, massive capacity in small enclosure, plug and play simplicity, and the same thing said over and over in different languages, so that makes our experience easy. We don't have to go through that. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, come on. Tightly packed, but that won't stop us from getting inside. Securely packed in a plastic enclosure, nothing else, as usual. So this is a USB type A, and this is which connects to the hard disk. Same thing, the one that I have earlier, it uses the same ports. The manual, support, contact, all these things, but yeah, who reads these things? Anyways, and wrapped in a plastic. I think this even got smaller. The last one that I had, that was 1 TB, and that was actually bigger than this. Yeah, as days goes by, tech gets smaller. Live example. Okay, fairly simple matte black finish made of plastic, and I think there's an LED there, and product of Thailand, Kingston. Yeah, this is made by Kingston and France. Okay, yeah, I guess WD is a French company. So yeah, that's it guys. If you want to know anything more about this, put that in the comment section below. I will answer each and every one of you. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.